Let me tell you a secret most men will never hear from a woman's mouth. They think attraction is random, like lightning striking out of nowhere. They believe if she says, "I'm not interested," that it's over. But here's the truth. Women will never directly tell you what really pulls them in, because attraction doesn't happen logically. Attraction is emotional. It's flexible. It's triggered by how she feels in your presence. And if you understand these secrets, you'll notice something powerful. Suddenly, the same woman who once ignored you can't stop thinking about you. So let's break down the hidden truths she'll never say out loud, but that her psychology reveals every time. 1. Confidence is magnetic energy. Confidence is the first signal she can't ignore. Not loud arrogance, not fake bravado, but calm, steady, unshakable confidence. When you walk into a room with purpose, when you speak slowly and clearly, when you look her in the eyes without flinching, she feels it. Most men think confidence is about looks, money, or status. Wrong. Real confidence is knowing your value without needing her validation. And the second she senses that energy, her brain takes notice. 2. Mystery triggers curiosity. Here's something she'll never admit. Women lose interest fast when they know everything about you up front. If you reveal your entire life story in the first few days, she stops thinking about you later. Why? Because there's nothing left to figure out. But when you keep a little mystery, when you show her just enough without laying out the whole picture, her mind starts working on you when you're not around. Curiosity is the seed of attraction, and the man she can't fully figure out is the man she can't forget. 3. Emotional control creates respect. Every woman tests men sometimes without even realizing it. She'll pull back. She'll act distant. She'll say something just to see how you act. And here's where most men fail. They chase, they beg, they explode. Theme who stays calm, steady, and centered. That's the man she respects. True strength isn't muscles or money. True strength is calmness, under pressure. When she sees you're not controlled by her mood, that's when attraction quietly starts building. 4. Value yourself first. If you don't value yourself, no woman will. Period. Too many men make her the center of their world. They treat her like she's above them, but when you pedestalize her, she looks down on you. When you protect your time, your energy, and your goals. When you make it clear you're not desperate, she feels it. Women desire men who live by their own standards, not men who hand over their worth. Respect yourself first, and she'll follow your lead. 5. Stop chasing, start leading. This is the trap most men fall into. Chasing, text after text, call after call, trying to prove their worth. Butchissing only proves one thing. You need her more than she needs you. Leaders don't chase. Leaders invite. Leaders create a life so strong, so purposeful, that she naturally wants to be part of it. The second you shift from chasing to leading, the dynamic changes. She stops seeing you as replaceable and starts seeing you as rare. 6. Purpose is irresistible. Here's the deepest secret. Purpose is the ultimate attraction. Confidence, mystery, and control all mean little if you're wandering through life without direction. But when you wake up with vision, when you're building something bigger than yourself, when you're chasing goals that fuel your fire, that's when you become magnetic. A man with purpose doesn't need a woman to complete him. And that paradox is exactly why women want to join him. She won't say it out loud, but every woman feels it. Purpose is irresistible. So here's what she'll never tell you directly. Attraction isn't about chasing her. It's about transforming yourself. Confidence, mystery, emotional control, self-value, leadership, consistency, and purpose. These aren't tricks, they're truths. When you live by them, women feel your energy without you saying a word. Remember this. She doesn't fall for the man who needs her. She falls for the man who inspires her. And when you become that man, attraction stops being a struggle. It becomes inevitable.